to learn this effect in Premiere Pro? So let's start. So I've opened up Premiere Pro right here, and this is the video I'm going to use. And if you want to use this exact same video, link will be in the description below. So now let's move this to our timeline like this. And now let's select the type tool and add some text to our video. So for example, beach, because this is a beach. So now let's align it to the center and the middle of our video, and I'm using the font Babus New, and the font size is 1200. And if you want to use this exact same font, link will be in the description below. So now let's go to the selection tool and extend this video until the end of the video. And now let's learn how to put this video inside our text. So to do that, we have to go to effects and search for something known as a track matte key. Here it is. And now let's put this track matte key not on the text but on the video like this. And now let's go to the effect controls, scroll down, and here it is, the track matte key. And in the matte option, we have to select the track on which our text is on. So it is video 2. So let's select video 2. And now our video is inside our text. As simple as that. Here you can see the video is playing flawlessly inside our text. So this was it for this video, and I'll meet you in the next video.